Do you want to win any of the items on your screen? If so, be sure to watch the whole video, leave a like, and comment the hidden message. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Sometimes we meet our friends after some or many years, and we don't really recognize them at first sight because they look very different now from what they used to look like. Has this ever happened to you? If yes, then you should know that it's obvious that a person will keep changing in the span of their lifetime. However, what if you see a person has completely changed in just the blink of an eye? Of course, you would be shocked and maybe would even consider it to be a dream. But you know, in this new world, makeup is a non-denying fact. Most celebrities are often unrecognizable when they are seen without wearing makeup. Consider seeing your favorite celebrity without makeup and being shocked at them. You wouldn't think they're normal people like us, but of course they are, and there's nothing wrong with it. I'm sure a person is never ugly if they wear makeup, and it's their personal choice to wear it or not. It's just fine if a celebrity shares pics with tons of makeup or with a makeup-free look. In this video, we're going to see 15 celebrities who look very different without the mask of makeup, and different doesn't mean ugly. It's only another version of them. Katy Perry. Katy is one of the most beloved American singers. Despite her controversies and scandals, her true followers appreciate and love her. She is one of the most followed celebrities on social media platforms. She became the first person to get 100 million followers on Twitter in June 2017. According to Nielsen SoundScan, with over 36.4 million sales, Katy was named as the 6th best-selling digital artist in January 2012. She's just as normal as us when you see her without makeup. This beauty may be more alluring with a natural look rather than wearing tons of makeup. Katy without makeup looks immensely beautiful. She has real beauty without even a speck of makeup and has garnered more popularity in pics without makeup. These pictures of Perry are the best example of how beautiful she looks without makeup. Wide-eyed with pink cheeks, these pictures prove her alluring natural beauty. Kerry Washington. Kerry Washington is a renowned American actress for her series Scandal. She is famous for her stunning performance on screen. However, she has also astonished her fans with her casual looks. She is always the same Kerry we know, but there would be no bad in saying that she is even more beautiful with a makeup-free look. Kerry has amazed us with her sudden dressing changes, be it track pants, wearing white apparel, or donning glasses with her hair thrown in a bun. She is just unmatchable in her beauty. Mila Kunis. Mila Kunis is a heartthrob, not only due to her acting, but also due to her unmatchable style. She's most likely to display a makeup-free appearance, and her natural look also allows her to be real and genuine. She is more admired with her no makeup look because her big expressive eyes and her beautiful lips make her so beautiful even without a slight touch-up. She may look glamorous in her movies, but she looks outstanding with her hair undone and her face free of makeup. Christina Aguilera. It takes a lot of courage for a celebrity to go barefaced and show their authentic self to their fans. However, Christina is applauded with no makeup looks, and her fans often say she is really unrecognizable. In 2018, her cover photo in a magazine with no makeup stunned her fans, and this change was said to be the transformation of the decade. Of course, her picture was adorable, and she was even compared to a 16-year-old girl. Gwen Stefani. Gwen Stefani is not getting old even after 50. She is famous for her full-face makeup with signature red lipstick and always fascinates her fans with her makeup and fashion. She looks beautiful in red lipstick, but she is fabulous even without it. She looks beautiful in makeup, but underneath all that makeup, there's a gorgeous girl. Of course, she needs to wear makeup for her work, but her no makeup look with her hair thrown into a bun is also just as lovely. With a casual outfit and top knot, Gwen looks super cute. Demi Lovato. Demi Lovato is one of the brave celebrities who is open about their struggles with an eating disorder and mental health. Additionally, She posts her bare face pics with hashtag NMM, or No Makeup Monday, to show her authentic self, and also to encourage her fans to accept their genuineness and authenticity. Undoubtedly, she is very serious about her skin and loves to wear makeup, but she also doesn't hesitate when displaying her natural looks. In March 2018, a video was uploaded on YouTube in which this pop star was removing her makeup. After she was finished, she looked just as amazing. She was flawless even without a touch of makeup. Lena Headey. Lena Headey looks very different in her off-screen life and has been the victim of trolls many times. However, she doesn't look bad. She looks just as normal as us. And that's fine instead of wearing tons of makeup all the time. She is beautiful and will remain adorable forever, despite what people say to criticize her. In 2019, she was trolled by some, but she had the perfect reply. She shared a screenshot of comments saying, "Don't record yourself without makeup, please," which was in response to her picture without makeup. She captioned the screenshot as, "I will continue to not wear a mask. Go F yourself." Lindsay Lohan. Lindsay Lohan has been very famous for her beauty and was considered to be one of the most beautiful celebrities in her time. Even now, she looks amazing, and the secret behind her beauty is not from using tons of makeup, but her simple skincare. She often doesn't use makeup, and it's obvious that she doesn't necessarily need it. This picture of Lindsay is just mind-blowing. Her candid smile and her arms covered in her sweater sleeves make her cuter and more beautiful. No one can deny she is a true, real, natural beauty, and she doesn't have a need for makeup. Kendall Jenner. Kendall Jenner is a famous, rich, and beautiful actress. She was named as the world's highest paid model in 2017. She mostly posts pictures in makeup and is applauded by her fans. However, she also looks beautiful without makeup. In this picture, acne can be seen on her face. Obviously, she's not wearing makeup in this picture, but still looks attractive. Despite the fact that we haven't seen her like this before, it's perfectly okay. It's her life, and she has the choice of wearing makeup or not. Undoubtedly, Kendall looks even more beautiful and attractive with these black glasses even having this acne on her face. Victoria Beckham. Victoria is one of the best singers and fashion designers in the world and is famous for both her singing as well as her fashion designing. Victoria is a beautiful singer and takes care of her skin more than anything. That is why she's so glamorous even at the age of 46. She has also launched a beauty brand called Victoria Beckham Beauty. To advertise her products, she mostly shares her pics with her glowing cheeks without makeup and suggests for her fans to buy these products. Loosened hair, oversized shirt, and no makeup in warm weather is just brilliant. And Victoria looks more attractive and beautiful in this simple pose. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga is the pop star known for her out-of-the-ordinary style, but of course she also loves to keep it real. She is very open to showing off her flawless skin with a makeup-free look. Gaga shared this pic and gave a message to her fans that she is also like them. Her fans applauded her for being real and authentic without caring about what people would say. Undoubtedly, Gaga is a natural beauty and doesn't require any special cosmetics every time. Lady Gaga shared this picture to thank her fans for her success at the Super Bowl in 2017 and stunned her fans with a 100% natural selfie. Of course, she looked cute and sweet without makeup. Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj is a famous American rapper and singer. Nicki mostly wears a full face of makeup, and she also looks flawless even without it. She has stunned her fans with her makeup-free pics and has gotten the same attraction even without wearing any at all. If you haven't seen Nicki without makeup, this picture is the best for you to see her natural face. Doesn't she look super cute even without makeup? Her unique look of pout and dimples looks super cute and attractive. She has shared many other pics with her fans in which her face was bare, and undoubtedly, she was adorable in her 100% natural look. Rihanna. Rihanna is the only celebrity who amazes her fans with different makeup looks from time to time. She is famous for her beautiful looks, but she isn't afraid to share a 100% natural picture. She is mostly applauded and loved even without makeup. But you know, this world of internet doesn't leave a person, especially a celebrity, without criticism. Rihanna shared this makeup-free picture in January 2020 and was mostly liked and loved. However, trolls did not let her escape without criticism. This hardly noticeable pimple was targeted by some of her followers, writing comments like, "Let me pop your pimple," etc. But these trolls don't matter to her real fans. She is loved and will be loved forever. Selena Gomez. Selena Marie Gomez is a popular American singer and beautiful actress. This pop star was the lead singer in her band, Selena Gomez and the Scene. She looks gorgeous wearing makeup, but she looks stunning regardless. Her natural beauty doesn't need tons of makeup. She is a gem even without a touch of makeup. In this orange sweater with a white scarf and glasses on, she looks classy and mind-blowing. Britney Spears. Britney Spears is an American pop star and dancer. She is considered to be the reason for revival of teen pop. Of course, she wears makeup while doing her projects or while working, but it seems like she prefers no makeup while staying at home. She looks great in her bare-faced pictures also. She has not only garnered fame and popularity by her singing, but also by her glamorous and attractive appearance without makeup. What do you say about this picture? Isn't she more attractive and beautiful with a normal, makeup-free look? Of course, she looks fabulous. With a high neck top, hair tied back, and her jewelry on, she looks glamorous. Her smile is another extra natural beauty in this picture. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you loved it. Make sure to give a big thumbs up. Stop before ending this video and let's promise to ourselves that we're not going to troll anyone for their looks. This would be a service to humanity. Don't you know how much it hurts when a person is criticized for their features? It's just heartbreaking. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with 5 friends on social media to win the items on your screen. And congratulations to the winners for this week.